Top 10 Best Pressure Washer for Cars in 2025.
Number 1. This is a top-quality product with excellent ratings and tons of positive feedback. One of the best-selling items out there.
Orders. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. For update price, check description box.
Number 2. This is another best product with solid performance and great user reviews. It offers premium features at a reasonable price, making it a smart choice for everyday use.
Orders. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
For update price and more, please check description link. Number 3. This is a popular item with high ratings and reliable performance. Great value and widely trusted.
Orders. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. This is a well-balanced product, known for its smart features and stable performance, trusted by many users.
Orders. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. This item stands out for its durability and user-friendly design. A solid pick for daily use.
Orders. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. Top 10 Best Pressure Washer for Cars in 2025. We've picked these based on performance, quality, and user feedback. For updated prices and more info, check the links in the description.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.